Hello friends, I'm back with a new video on July Lead Code Challenge. Sorry about last 3 to 4 days. I'm not being able to make a make videos of July Lead Code Challenge. So I think this is my first video on July Lead Code Challenge, that is Hamming distance. So the question is, the Hamming distance between two integers is the number of position at which corresponding bits are different. Given two integer x and y, calculate the Hamming distance. So we need to calculate the Hamming distance. For example, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. So the bit representation of 1 is 001 and bit representation of 4 is 0100. So here we can see that the last bit is different. Like for 1 the last bit is 1 and for 4 the last bit is 0. Then we increase our Hamming distance, first we initialize our Hamming distance to 0, because if there is no if they are same number, then probably the Hamming distance is 0, I think. So initially the Hamming distance is 0. Then because these last bits are different, so we increase our Hamming distance, because by the definition of Hamming distance, this is it. Then again, for second last bit, though the both bits are the same, so we skip this bit. Then we see another bit like 0 and 1, then they are different. Then we now increase our Hamming distance one more time, so the total distance total change is 2. So the Hamming distance, our answer is 2. That is our Hamming distance between these two. Like there are only two bits there that are different, that is 1 0, that is last bit, and third last bit, I think. So how can we do that? So let's see by the help of example, like this example only, 1 and 4. So in this example, we can see only last bit by the help of AND operator, because by the help of AND operator we can see uh, what is the value of this bit, like last bit, this last bit. If there is 1, then it give us 1. If there it is not set, then it gives 0. So by the help of AND operator we can extract the last bit, and if they are not equal, then we increase our Hamming distance. So and also in every loop we have to we have to right shift every shift. In every loop we have to right shift the whole number, like, because we have to see every element, every bit of this number. And so in this way we can do this. Like let's trace this example. So first we have to take this last bit, that is, now first sum is equal to 0. Now by extracting the last bit, that is 1 and 0, they are not equal, then we have to increase our sum. So now sum is equal to 1, then we have to right shift the whole number, so the number becomes this, and for this number becomes, sorry, this. So now they are equal, the last bit are equal, like 0 and 0. So now the number becomes 0, because we are at the same time we are right shifting in every loop. So now the number becomes this, no 0 and 1. So now the last bit is different, so the sum, we increment our sum, that is Hamming distance. So in this way 0, and for this by the help of right shift, and again they are same, so basically our answer is sum. So let's see this algorithm in code. So this is basically we are iterating through 0th bit to 32 bit, because I'm assuming this question is for 32 bit at most. So let's see. So initially a sum equal to 0, or we can say that distance equal to 0. Then I have to iterate from 0th bit to 32th bit, because we have to see every bit. So if x and 1 is not equal to y and 1, like by the help of this function, like x and 1, we are extracting the last bit, that is 1, and for y is 0. So if they are not equal, then we just have to increment our distance. Otherwise, for every loop we have to right shift the operator, right shift our number by 1. So in this way we can see for all 32 bits, like for very large number, for int max, uh, also we can see the Hamming distance. So return distance at last. So this is it. I think this should work. Yeah. So this is our question for today's question. So let us see for int max, like very large number. So what is the, so this is it, only 8 bits are different. So this is the question for today's July LeetCode challenge. Hope you like this video, and hope you find this video helpful. Comment, like and subscribe, and don't forget to touch that bell icon in your screen. So thank you for now.